What we got going on here, Tom?
We've got our new brewery going in.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the wall.
Wall.
It's going to be up to the top.
Yeah, sheeting.
Then we're going to sheet it.
Without the bikes, presumably.
Yeah, yeah, and we'll have a nice door. Obviously, all this will be going.
No, that's the staff facilities for the brewery.
Obviously, we've got a nice shower to go in. So that once we've finished a day's labour,
we can have
a shower.
Should be good, mate.
Yeah.
More footage later.